Hello and welcome again to another DSPB video. In this hot summer edition, I'm visiting the zoo with the Viltrox 85mm 1.8 and the Fuji X-T2. What? An 85mm for the zoo? Is that a good idea? Relax and stick around for the next minutes to find out. And hey, if you want the Viltrox 85mm 1.8 or any Viltrox gear, you can get it cheaper now. Just use the link in the description of this video and the code DSPhotoblog. I really like the results I got with the Viltrox 85mm 1.8 in the zoo. Especially the bokeh looks even smoother than with the Fujifilm 50 to 142.8 for example. So in a small zoo where the animals aren't too far away, an 85mm can totally work for you. How about you? Did you ever use an 85mm in the zoo? Let me know down in the comments. I hope this is useful for you. If so, don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.